Innerbeing Wellness Private Limited is a nutrition and healthy food company. The company started with an objective to go healthy about 5 years back, with an objective that today globally, including India, there is a lot of challenging times we are facing, especially the kind of lifestyle disorder we have, and added to that is the COVID-19, the coronavirus, what we call it is adding a lot of challenges today in India. Having said that, Innerbeing concept is basically to go back to the traditional roots, that is the traditional grains, what we call it as millets. Millets are very commonly known as ragi, jawar, bajra, foxtail millet. Traditionally we have been consuming it, our forefathers have been consuming it. The millets are healthy, which is nutritious, which has got a lot of protein, fiber, and it has got a lot of healthy benefits also. The whole concept of Innerbeing is wanting to promote healthy and nutrition food in the form of ready to eat, ready to cook. We have a range of product, traditional food like jawar idli, jawar upma, ragi malt, where at home you can make idlis to upmas, and we also have a lot of modern format also, like ragi chocolate drink, millet pizza, especially for the new millenniums. So the whole concept of we wanting to bring Innerbeing healthy, today we would like to create healthy recipes with Radisson. Radisson is our partner, where we are wanting to jointly promote healthy food, healthy recipes. With the challenge in terms of COVID, immunity is becoming very, very important. So the whole concept of we bringing health, nutrition, and also at the same time building immunity. Fortunately, millet also helps in building that immunity because of certain lot of other ingredients which are hidden in millets, which are more amino acid, which are vitamins and minerals, which are stuffed in jawar, ragi, foxtail, other ingredient also. The whole concept is that today most of them are in house. We want to build that awareness, bringing out very simple recipes which you can cook it at home. That's the reason we wanted to talk about health, nutrition, and also healthy food to be made at recipes at home. And we had partnered with Radisson. I would now like to introduce Alok, where we want to go healthy with Radisson.
Namaste, Jadavji. I want to thank you first of all. Very excited to be a part with Innerbeing. Innerbeing has laid down the platform for us, for you guys, for everybody in the house today who needs health food, who needs to be healthy, and who needs to be taken care of. And that's where we step in. We will create these recipes. We were moving one step ahead. We are changing our processes. The hospitality industry, hotel industry, for everybody, each one of you, for this country, for the farmers, for the Innerbeing, we want to make the recipes, we want to make things happen for you. I know right now you cannot come to Radisson. I understand. But we will bring Radisson to you, we'll bring Innerbeing to you. We will bring this food, this immunity, this health food to you. That's why Radisson is partnering with Innerbeing to present this health food. My chefs, as you can see, we've started with gloves, we've started with masks, we've started with hygiene standards to the next level. We are looking at every step, every process, so that you don't need to worry, because you give our problems, we will take care of your health, we will take care of your immunity. We are there for you along with the Innerbeing. I would like to present my chef now to you, so that who will show you how Innerbeing products could be used, how you can make these recipes, jawar, bajra, millets, how we can make it at home, how it is easy. And if you don't have ingredients, we will get the ingredients to you. If you don't have Innerbeing, jawar, if you don't have quinoa seeds, we'll get it for you. We are there for you. So the chef is going to show you this thing, and I will hand over this to the chef.
Hello guys, so before we start cooking and before the chef demonstrates you the recipes, we just want to ensure that the highest hygiene standards are maintained, right chef?
Yeah, exactly.
So we have the sanitizers, we have the hand mask, the face mask, the head covers, everything. So you guys don't have to worry about the hygiene standards. We're taking care of everything, and let's go. Thank you.
So today we're going to do some healthy cooking with Innerbeing products. Innerbeing has a various range of millet products. You can actually start from breakfast. You got jowar, you have ragi, you have millets, you have quinoa. So they got various ranges of products which you can use from your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner. So as a whole, Radisson and Inner Being will be part of your day-to-day life, starting from your breakfast till dinner, serving you healthy and hygienic meal. So today we're going to make a jowar uttapam. For that we have jowar over here. Then we have Bengal gram, that is black chana powdered. We have chopped coriander, chopped tomato and chopped onion. This is the uttapam batter. So this was made by soaking the jowar and the chana overnight, and then you blend it in a mixer and strain it, and you get a uttapam batter ready. So to make banana quinoa milkshake, you need to have quinoa soaked overnight or cooked and kept aside. Then you need a fresh banana. You just need to simply peel it.
That is where the whole concept is, and I'd like to introduce Alok. Thank you.